Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. Hope week 1 went well for you. I just thought we could go over what's coming up for our second week to make sure everybody's on track and things are going well. I appreciate the people that have posted in the general discussion forum. Helps answer questions for other people, and sometimes as a student you might see the question and have a response before I can even get to it, so that helps everyone out. Let me look at what we've done so far. So it's almost noon on the 21st, and I just looked, and some people have not yet turned in their concepts chart. So remember, by the end of the week, things are due at noon on Sunday. So make sure you get those in. And also, like when you do group activity, even though it's a group together activity, each person needs to individually submit their own assignment or the group's assignment into the Moodle Dropbox so that it can be graded in, so you can receive credit for that. So just so you're aware of that. Another thing I've noticed from week 1 is that when I was looking earlier, a lot of people hadn't yet completed the pre-quiz for chapters 1, 2, and 3. And that's really intended to be done as like the first thing you do in the week to give you some direction as to what things we're going to be talking about, and then also point to areas that maybe you're having a little bit more difficulty from. Again, you're not graded on the number correct, just that it's completed and on time. So try and start your week as that being the very first thing that you do. Looking at week 2, we're going to move on to cell genetics, inheritance, and genetic and congenital disorders, along with neoplasia. Again, like I said, start with your pre-quiz to get that done to help guide your studying for the week. There's some readings to do and some videos to watch. And this week you're going to want to jump in right away with your case study presentations. You're going to be in the same small groups that you were in last week. And we'll click into that so you can see what is required of you this week. Let's see. So you're going to work in your groups and choose one of the following case studies, and you're going to create a 10 to 15 minute narrated presentation addressing the question specific to your assigned topic. When you're making your presentation slides, make sure that you put your name on the slide that you personally created so that I know who did which one. And your choices for which case study you'd like to pick are below. Sickle cell disease, neural tube deficits, neoplasia of the breast, and small cell lung cancer. So you can pick one of those as a group, and start working on that. You're going to want to have these done and posted into the forum just below this assignment by Thursday at midnight, because we have other things to do with this assignment as well. If you're having any problems, you can contact the help desk and they can give you some guidance on how to complete the assignment. And just one person needs to upload the case study into the sharing forum so that it just makes it easier to navigate and know what you're doing. You don't need, this is not like a normal forum post, you don't need to comment on people's posts in this location. It's just so everyone has access to all the presentations that were done. So one person in your group, submit your final presentation here so everyone can see it. And then the last part of this part of the assignment is the viewing table, which is listed right here. And you're going to go in and watch each person's presentation and complete the table. You want to just note takeaway points, any new information or critical questions that you'd like to remember. This is not a place for you to really critique their presentation or say how you like their slides formatted, etc. It's really to gather more information. So review that, and then each person submits their viewing table by Sunday at noon. And then just similar to last week, there's a Module 2 assignment that is pertinent to the information that you did in your readings this week. You can look ahead to your disease pathology paper. Some of you have already signed up there, so if you'd like to get a jump on that, if you know something that is a disorder or disease that you'd like to know more about, please look there and choose the topic you'd like, add your name to that document that is being shared. That's about it for this week. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know and I'll try and respond as soon as I can. If possible, please put your questions in the shared discussion forum so we can all benefit from whatever questions you have. Take care and have a great week.